Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 beginner shoulder exercises. We have a close grip overhead press where we're going to take the dumbbells, put them close together like this, bring them right up in front of our body, right under our chin, keeping our shoulder blades pinched together, core tight. Let's lift them right overhead and bring your head into the center. For our overhead lateral raise, we're going to start out with our palms out. From here, we're going to take the dumbbells straight out over top, right to here. Bring them back down. If you ever have any pain, you have to lower the weight. This should not be pain. It should be a lighter weight. An exercise is kind of just going through the range of motion right here. For the hammer front raises, let's stand straight up. Keep our shoulder blades pinched together. That way we have a nice straight back, core tight. And then just like a hammer curl, how you would hold the dumbbell like this, you're gonna come straight up, right to about chin height and back down. Then for our dumbbell reverse fly, we're gonna push our hips back until we get into more of a parallel position with our back to the ground. And then from here, pinching our shoulder blades together and lifting straight up. For the dumbbell one arm push press, we're gonna stand straight up with the dumbbell in a shoulder press position. From here, we're gonna put a slight bend in the knee, not even down to a half squat, just a slight bend in the knee. From here, explode up, drive through the weight, and finish here. Lower the weight back down slow, and then restart from straight. This isn't like one continuous motion. It's slight bend, explode up, bring it down. Slight bend, explode up, bring it down. Now there's a quick tutorial in our top 5 beginner shoulder exercises. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 beginner shoulder exercises. Throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.